Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. Now, after applying these respective load cases, we have to assign the load combinations as per the Indian code standard. Select the load case details, click on add button, select generate load combinations. So here I am selecting auto load combinations as per the Indian standard code only. Click on generate load. So depending upon your dead load, live load as well as earthquake load, wind load, it will generate the combinations here like this. Click on add button, close option. Now go to select your materials, select concrete section, assign to view, assign yes option. Go to analysis and print option, add your no print option, close option. Go to analyze option, run analysis, save it. So here we have to check the zero errors for this respected model. So here my model is checking for the zero errors. So after analysis process completed. Now here my model is observed with zero errors. One warning. Go to post processing mode, click on done option. Now we have to see the deflection value, shear value, bending value which is related to this respected building. So this is the deflection diagram due to presence of the live loading condition, and I'm selecting it as earthquake load in x direction condition, z direction condition, wind load in x direction condition, wind load in z direction condition. Select the dead loading condition. Due to presence of the dead loading condition, the building will deflect in downward direction like this. Now I will show you the shear force diagram. Before going to seeing the shear force diagram, initially we have to deselect the deflection diagram. Deselect the deflection diagram, select F5. So this is the shear force diagram for this respective structure due to presence of the dead loading condition. Deselect this, again I am selecting NZ value. So this is the bending moment diagram for this respective structure. Now you can see bending moment diagram is exist for this building like this, which is related to x direction, z direction, x direction, z direction, dead load, live load. Now deselect the bending moment diagram. Now we have to see what amount of the pressure is coming for the respected plates. Okay. So for that, select the plate option. Apply your stress type as absolute pressure. Click on apply, click on OK. Now we can see the plate load will be applied with the respected loading conditions here like this. Now we can see x direction, z direction, dead load, live load. Okay. So after that, go to select animation, select deflection, apply, OK. So due to presence of the earthquake load x direction, the building will deflect in this respected x direction case like this. This is z direction, wind load x direction, z direction, dead loading condition and live loading condition, and this is the combination loads. Okay. Now select the animation again select your section displacement, apply, okay. Section displacement diagram is showing here like this. Okay. Now we have to design this respected building as per IS 456-2000 code. So for that, initially click on modeling option, again come to designing, concrete designing. Initially we have to select the IS 456 code. Now after selection process completed, we have to select the parameters. Parameters in the sense we have to select the grade of the concrete, grade of the steel, and maximum size of the respected bar and minimum size of the bar. So for that, select parameters option here. Firstly, deselect all selected parameters. Select compressive strength, yield strength of shear reinforcement, maximum and maximum secondary. Click on OK. Select define parameters. So as per my assumption, just I am taking M30 grade is the concrete grade for this respected section of vertical irregular building. Click on add button. Now I am adding FY main section. Just I am taking it as 600,000. Click on add button. Again I am adding FI section which is also consisting of 600,000. Click on add button. Now you can see my exam main, just I am taking it as 20 mm bars, add it. Section, again I am taking it as 16 mm bars. Click on add button, close option. Now select commands option. We have to design the beam column as well as slab takeoff. Now we have to add design beam command initially. Again I'm selecting design column command. Again I'm taking design slab element command, takeoff command, add it, close option. So select this respected question marks. We have to assign those question marks for the structure. So select FC value by using assign to view option. We have to assign. Select FY, again assign to view option, assign. In the same way we have to assign section also. Select maximum main also, same procedure. Again section is also same procedure, we have to assign. Select beam, we have to select the beams which are comes from the x direction condition as well as your respected z direction condition. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. Now I am selecting design column. Go to select beams parallel to y-axis. Again I am selecting design element, assign to view option, assign yes option. Go to click on analysis and print option again. Click on add button, close option again. Again go to analyze, run analysis, save it. Now again we have to check for the zero errors for the respected design also. So here my model is checking for the zero errors for the respected design also. Now here the model is observed with zero errors. Go to post processing, done option. So we have to see the reinforcement values which are related to the beam section and the column section. Initially I will select the beam, select this respected beam section, double click on it, click on concrete design. So this is the beam reinforcement details. It will be consisting of 10 bars of 16 mm dia, 197 center to center distance. For the top reinforcement as well as bottom reinforcement will be consisting of 11 bars of 10 mm dia or 30 center to center distance. Click on close option. Again we have to select the respected beam sections at the respected setback. Select that, click on concrete design. So this is the concrete design. So it is consisting of 11 bars at the top reinforcement and bottom reinforcement will be same, which is related to the normal beam. Again we have to select the column section. So here I am selecting column at the ground section. So this is the column section. It will be consisting of 12 number of bar size and 16 is the number of bars. Okay, so it will be consisting of 16 number of bars of 12 mm size. AST percentage is 1.13 and AST requirement is 1756 mm square. Okay, now I am selecting bar size which is related to the column. So this is the column reinforcement detail. So it will be consisting of 12 bars of 12 mm dia. Okay, so which is consisting of 0.84 something is the AST percentage and AST requirement is 1280 mm square. Now click on close option. Now we have to see the output file. Okay, output file very important for designing of any kind of the structure by using StatPro software. Now you can select output file here. So it will load the output file here, which is consisting of your total number of pages as 922. Click on run results option, concrete design. So it will be consisting of each and individual calculation part which is comes from the design of the 7-story building as per IS 456 code. Okay, depending upon those respected material properties, it will design the beam sections as well as column sections. Okay, so after designing the beams and column sections, we have to design the foundation for this respected section. So for that, select foundation design. So here we have to select the primary load cases, which is comes from the dead loading condition, live loading condition, as well as earthquake load and wind loading condition. Click on run stat foundation. So if you click on run stat foundation software, what happened means the fixed supports of this respected foundation, which is nothing but your 7-story building, will be directly imported to your foundation software. Now we can see the fixed supports of this respected section will be obtained in the foundation software here like this. Okay, now we have to initially define the loads and factors. We have to generate the load combinations. Click on generate load combinations. Generally we will generate the load combinations as per the codal provisions only. So just I'm considering it as Indian standard code. Click on generate load combination for the service load combination. Click on OK. Again we have to generate the load combination as for the ultimate load combination also. So after adding the load combination, we have to click on job setup for creating new job. So 7-story building, 7, just I'm writing, and design type is isolated footing, which is comes from the Indian standard code, and units will be in SI, include respected all load cases. Click on create job. So select your respected isolated job footing. So it will be consisting of the parameters which is related to concrete and rebar, cover and soil type, footing geometry, sliding and overturning design. We can click on design option, click on S button. So it will design the foundation as per the load considerations and as per the load combinations by using IS 456-2000 code. Now we can see as per IS codal provision which is provided by 456-2000 code, it was designed the foundation like this. So here I am selecting foundation of 166. 166 is nothing but your node point number. Okay, we have to consider. Okay, So this is the each and individual calculation part which is comes from the respected foundation. As per the load cases and load combinations, it was designed the foundation. So click on starting page. This is the starting page geometry. So click on details and drawing. This is the details and drawing. This is the GA drawing. If you want to construct this respected house, we have to follow the GA drawing. Click on calculation sheet. So this is the process analysis and designing of irregular vertical building by using StatPro software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please text to me your question in the comment box so that I will give you the reply for that respected question. Thank you.